I'd like to say thanks so much for all your great efforts. You know, you guys did a great job. I'll send the message around to the GMs. I've already sent it to some that you guys can be very proud of all you've accomplished today. Keep on practicing, keep on training, keep on looking for new ideas, and keep on going forward. Yeah, thanks guys.
You go back to your hotels. Share what you learned here today with your friends. Share with them what you were able to do to become successful. You just have to focus, do a great job, be the best of the best, which you are, and keep your eye on the prize. Whatever your goal is, whatever position you want to achieve, make sure every day you're looking at that.
2, 1, mulai!
Pesan dan kesan untuk Archipelago International, semoga kedepannya makin sukses seperti Young Chef dan Barista Challenge. Ini tidak lebih dari dukungan terutama hotel saya, ASTON Nagoya, dan Bapak GM saya, Bapak Yanuar Dedi. Terima kasih atas dukungannya.
Untuk kesan dan kesannya, semoga Archipelago makin maju dan sukses. Dan juga terima kasih kepada RGM saya, Pak Dodi, dan juga Pak Niko.
Untuk kesan dan pesan Archipelago Young Chef Barista Challenge kali ini, saya sangat bangga dan jujur, tapi ini tetaplah menjadi buah mimpi bagi saya. Dan saya ucapkan terima kasih untuk seluruh staff dan teman-teman saya di ASTON Canggu Beach Resort. Sekali lagi untuk Archipelago, terima kasih banyak dan sukses selalu.